Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chef Pooja and today we are making Brazilian Brigadeiros. So the reason I've chosen this recipe is because 1, it's super simple, 2, it's eggless, and 3, because I can't travel right now and eating this makes me feel like I'm in Brazil with my friend Janai. I learned how to make this recipe with her when we were still in college, and it's been many years and I have gone to Brazil 3 times after. Every time I go, I fall in love with the country and I have my most happy memories in Brazil. So this recipe is extremely close to my heart and I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you figure out to do different variations with it. And here it is. To make our brigadeiros, we're going to need 200 grams of condensed milk, 15 grams of butter, I use regular salted butter, and 10 grams of cocoa powder. The process is very straightforward. We're going to add all our ingredients into a saucepan. Over medium heat, we're going to cook this down. Now the key here is to ensure that you cook this paste enough. What I'm looking for is to see that the brigadeiro leaves the side of the pan. So you see that thickness, that is what I'm looking for. The minute I start seeing this, I turn my gas off and I remove it and I transfer it into a bowl. I'm going to let this cool for about an hour. Once it's cool, I'm going to grease my hands with a little bit of butter and make these little balls. And I am rolling this in desiccated coconut. You can eat them just like that. Traditionally, you use chocolate vermicelli or chocolate sprinkles. I like this with a little bit of coconut. You could do rolled pistachio, you could do chocolate chips, sprinkles, anything, be creative. And that's it. Our brigadeiro are ready to eat.